Hi, I'm Maddox and I go to Belshreys Public School.
I'm Ruby and we're going to talk about the HRHC.
What's the HRHC?
It's the Hunter River Health Check.
The Hunter River Health Check was designed to get kids involved in science in their local environment, looking at real world problems and how we can find solutions. We looked at options to get girls involved in STEM, as well as connect with industry and experts to bring vital information to the area.
My name's Trixie and I go to Belchis Public School. The Hunter River Health Check started at Belchis because of the droughts and the erosions that we could see, so we helped the river. The Hunter River Health Check is like a program where we test the quality of the water, make sure if it's healthy or not. Me and my classmates has been involved into the Hunter River Health Check. The Hunter River Health Check promotes the fish and the animals and humans that are drinking the water and are in the water. We're looking for animals that are like platypuses, turtles, and fish, and water bugs. The things we tested were pH, salinity, turbidity, which means how clean the water is. My favourite part of the Hunter River Health Check is probably the water bugs. If there's lots of water bugs, that means it's a healthy river. A part of the Hunter River Health Check was when we went to the workshops, which we did water testing, catching water bugs, and talking about where the river led to. We also learned about the DNA and how it was collected. I enjoy Hunter River Health Check because I get to do lots of experiments and get taught by experts.
We need to look after the river because if it's not healthy, the fish might die and the turtles and the platypus might die as well.
With a range of real world problems facing our students like droughts and floods, we were looking at ways that we could bring student voice to the conversation and have them be a part of the solution. It's been exciting to see the collaboration of schools come together to find solutions for the Hunter River that connect us all.
Since its inception in 2023, 19 schools have tested the water quality of the Hunter River at 25 sites across the catchment. Those schools have come from the entire length of the catchment, from the top of the river at Elliston all the way down to the bottom of the catchment at Carrington near Newcastle. One of the many great things about the Hunter River Health Check is that the students get to learn that we are all connected by the Hunter River. So even though they might all come from different schools, come from different areas, they might come from urban areas or from farmland, they are all connected by the Hunter River. And having organisations such as Saving Our Species, Hunter Local Land Services, local councils, all involved in the workshops and in supporting the schools to undertake the health check, the schools get to see that there's a range of organisations involved in looking after the river, and looking after the river is a joint responsibility by all of us.
Because of the Hunter River Health Check, we're making good decisions to protect the animals and the waterways.